Hi, I'm Karen D'Souza from the School of Inspired Leadership. One of the motivations behind joining SOIL was its social innovation program. And the day when we had all our inductions and NGOs came over to SOIL to give presentations and we had to select one, in my heart of hearts, I knew I wanted to work with this NGO. Frankly speaking, I didn't have a reason for that, but it just sounded very enticing that day. And I'm glad Isha got allotted to us as an NGO and the journey began. We had our expectations set right at the beginning of the year. It took us some time to understand Isha as an NGO because it's very different. The kind of work that Isha does is about empowerment, is about enabling the blind, and it's also about creating sensitive people. I, as a person, have been sensitized to this issue, and I understand that blindness is no disability. It is a very rare feeling to have, about acknowledging the gifts that you have in life. So, this is what Isha has given me. The most basic thing that I have learned through my journey is not to take things for granted. And as the journey began, we started office hunting initially. That was another learning because it's something we rarely get to do. It gave us a feeling that we have our own organization, we're trying to set it up. Although that was on a very small scale, but it was a fun experience to do. And then we moved on to a project that we took up, that was Tour de Vision. So this was one end-to-end project I've been part of, right from conceptualization to execution. Even thinking about the name. So I think I've not been part of any end-to-end project like that. And the day I saw Tour de Vision happen, I think that was just a very, very blissful moment. It just felt like everything came into place, just perfect, nothing could have been better. Of course, practically speaking, there are a lot of things that could have been done better, and I'm sure it'll get better and better through the years. But Tour de Vision will always remain close to my heart because it was kind of a baby, because we saw it grow up and kind of take birth on the 8th of February. And then today we had a very unique experience. It's our last day at Isha. I shouldn't say last day at Isha, but last day being a part of SOIL and Isha together in the social innovation program. So it began with witnessing the much heard about theatre workshop by Raju Kohli. He is one superstar. Like when I went and met him, all that I had in my mind were the testimonials I'd read of people who'd attended the theatre workshop before. So witnessing a workshop like that was such a joyful moment. I saw children talking about their experiences and talking about organ donation, not alone eye donation. It does not matter whether they do it or not, but that the windows of their hearts are open was a very nice thing to witness. Beginning the day like that, we moved on to the Indian Habitat Center where we had a blind walk planned for us. I don't know how to explain the feeling because it can only be felt. I thought when my eyes were shut, my other senses took charge of it and kind of tried to make up. I had never felt the sunlight that way before. I had not tried to feel the difference between entering an air conditioned room from an outside environment before this. With a person guiding me and I being blind and trying to navigate through a cane, it just gave me a little bit of a glimpse into the life of a blind person, and I suddenly felt life got so different. If only the world was a little more enabling towards them, it would have been much, much more better. And it was an undescribable experience. Then we moved on to Qutub Minar, another very crowded place where people probably kept looking at us because we did the blind walk. But it was an experience of sorts, something I'd hold close to my heart and remember all through my life. And Isha's given me many such moments that I would remember forever, and I talk about it to a lot of people, and it's made a difference not just to me, I'm sure to a lot of my friends who call me at times and tell me they want to do something like this because they see me doing things like this and talking about things like this. So even if I'm able to make small differences in people's lives, I think it's a very, very big start for me, and I hope to take this forward forever. Thank you, Isha, and thank you, School of Inspired Leadership.